So, and I had the entire data over there. Hi everyone, my name is Kumarica Dutta and I've come to Stellar Data Recovery Services. A few weeks back, I was recommended by a place called Computer Laboratory from Korea. My external hard drive was not working well, so and I had the entire data over there. So the Computer Laboratory suggested that Stellar would be the one of the companies who would be able to retrieve all the data. Therefore I came here. I was guided and assisted by Kumarica and Shreyosha here. They were very cooperative and the entire service is very smooth and hassle-free. Very cooperative, and I've been able to recover all my data safely, and I highly recommend you to visit them if you have faced certain this difficulty.